Mama, you're the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long. Quieres ser mi mano y yo soy el mejor.
Sorry, mate. Thank you. Were we supposed to keep them? Thank you very much, guys. I love you. Maybe next time, next year, they make me do. Because you sure as fuck that Norbreck Hotel's not going to clean that up. Thank you from Norbreck Hotel. Hopefully for the last time. Love you guys. You know how much we love our fans. We love you, we love you, we love you.